In the previous video I showed you that the Great Pyramid of Giza is a 1:43,200 scale model of planet Earth. Let's talk about why the number 43,200. In the 1930s, airplane footage has by coincidence revealed that the Great Pyramid sends off a mysterious light signal at a very specific moment in time. The shadow causes an illusion on the side of the pyramid, making it almost look like a prism. Crazy, right? This is caused by the indentation in the Great Pyramid, which by the way would have caused significant engineering difficulties on behalf of the pyramid builders. Did you know that the Great Pyramid actually has 8 sides and not 4? Anyway, can you guess which moment that is? It's the equinox. In other words, around March and September 21st. It's the moment in time when night and day have the same length, therefore the name equinox. You can think of it as a moment of cosmic balance, a fundamental concept of Egyptian cosmology. On those days, due to the axial tilt and our position relative to the sun, there's an equivalent amount of light and darkness. In other words, day and night each last for 43,200 seconds.